This is going to be a quick video on how to optimize your Windows 7 install that you have on your SSD drive in order to get the most space out of it and make it run the best you possibly can. So first thing you're going to do is right click your My Computer, go to Properties. Over here hit Advanced System Settings, and under the Advanced tab you're going to check Performance and click Settings. Go to Advanced once again, and we're going to go to Virtual Memory. This is the page file, and we're going to hit Change, and you can actually move your paging file to another drive. If you have a big terabyte hard drive or something, you can move it there, customize the size to whatever you want. But if you're like me and you have like at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, you can just shrink the initial size and the maximum size. I made it 250 megabytes. You can even do it less, you could do more, or you can move it into a different drive. Hit OK there, hit Apply, hit OK, and then go to System Protection while we're at it, and we're going to disable System Restore over here. Go to Configure, hit Turn Off System Protection, max usage, put it to 0, and delete whatever you have available. Go ahead and hit Apply. So the reason why we did those things is because you have very limited space, because SSD drives are usually very expensive. So unless you have a lot of money and you can afford a 240 gig or 120 gig SSD drive, then you're going to want your Windows to take up as little room as possible in order to have extra hard drive space for other things like applications or games or whatever. So the reason why we changed your page file is because Windows uses up a lot of space for, it's pretty much the same size as your RAM in as backup memory. So by reducing our page file, we reduce the amount of hard drive space that's saved for that. But you can actually just move your save file to a different drive. That way nothing gets lost. We remove System Restore because, let's face it, when was the last time you used it? And it does take up quite a bit of space as well.